How to monitor the ZKL 3000RC. There are various ways you can monitor the ZKL 3000RC. You can monitor it actively via the app by using the real-time status module, or you may receive SMS or push notifications. You can monitor the device through real-time status, which will provide further information, such as the serial number, model type, GPS position, device status, last update, switch status, detection quality, key position, backup battery status, backup battery voltage, main battery status, main battery voltage. To obtain information about a particular ZKL 3000RC, you need to click on Devices. This will give you a list of devices in the protection zone. Select the device you want to monitor and click on the plus sign. This will expand, giving you all the details you need to monitor the device. Click on the minus button to minimize the amount of data you can see. You can also view the location of the selected device by accessing the map. To do this, you need to go to the home screen and click the RS module. Then choose the project you want to view. Click on Devices. Now you need to switch the toggle to map like this. Here you will see the location of your device. This information will refresh every 10 seconds. You can also monitor the device by receiving SMS or push notifications from the ZKL 3000RC. This will be sent to the users who are assigned as ZKL 3000RC user on a released project. The ZKL 3000RC user will receive SMS or push notifications for all safety-critical messages. These messages include battery, detection, and connectivity status. These messages are there for your safety. A full list of alerts can be found on Joule Inventive's Downloads page. Go to www.jouleinventive.com. If you need further guidance or instruction on how to use the device, Joule Inventive offers support on site, over the phone or online. Call us on 03300 169 033 or email support@jouleinventive.co.uk.